Hello friends, it's Mark here again, ready to present to you another video slideshow. Not a live build this time, but a video slideshow. I'm going to show you the GR4 Tornado. That's very fortunate to have this featured on the December, so it's gone quite a while ago. This is January 2016 edition of the Main Air Modeler magazine. Very fortunate that David Parker actually featured this on the cover. This is the model itself, the Revell Tornado GR4. This is the latest boxing of the kit. I think they had a previous reiteration, but this was the more detailed version that they brought out first of all as the IDS, and then they brought out the GR4, which sort of upgraded the kit by featuring these large gas bags. I think they call them Hindenburger tanks, and also the front sensors, which are these RAF fitments for the GR4. Kit itself is a bit of a mixture because it's Revell, but very good value, to be honest, because they are extremely cheap, but they build up very well. And I mean, one of the big features that they added was the flaps that could be deployed, sort of showing that open foul arrangement of the flaps, which is real sort of tornado type stuff. That looks so good on there that they did that. I think there was a way also to, you could show the air brakes open, but I didn't bother with that. I supplemented this kit by adding CMK's resin wheel bays. You can barely see them, to be honest. Also, I think it's got the resin ejector seats, the Martin Baker Mark 10s, I think they are, for the Tornado. And then this kit as well, one shortfall of the Revell kits is that they do not come with any weapons fitments. I quite like to show them loaded out, so I supplemented it with it's Edward Brasson, so the resin parts actually, for the A9L sidewinders, the sniper pod, and the GBUs. And also I added resin wheels from Brasson as well. The kit one's a bit sort of chunky, and I think there's some Edward photo etch and a ladder. You see all that stuff inside the photo video build. The reason I'm showing this, obviously it's really an armour channel. That's what Bear Hobbies is about. It's really my main interest, but I want to show you that a lot of the weathering techniques that you employ in armour and on aircraft can be similar. I went to show this aircraft in a fairly weathered state without going over the top, so I used lots of references to do a bit of a hybrid between this 41 Squadron machine in the special anniversary markings, and then also I used references from contemporary aircraft at the time that were on active service in Syria, Iraq, that sort of campaign. So a bit of an amalgamation. That's why it's sort of bombed up and ready to go. Anyways, tell me what you think. See if you want to see more aircraft in this video. The next build that's coming up will be armour again. But I hope you enjoy, and thanks so much for all your support on the channel. See you soon, guys.
Tornado meets these requirements. A compact, multi-role combat aircraft with substantially improved cost-effectiveness over current weapon systems. A dominant combat aircraft of the NATO air arms in the 80s and 90s of this century. Developed and built by Messerschmitt Bölkow Blohm, British Aerospace, Air Italia, as partners in Panavia Aircraft.